Hello guys, on this episode I will be showing you how to fully clean your iRobot, when you need to change each iRobot accessory and how often you need to clean them. I will be showing you this video with an iRobot Roomba A5 model. If you have a different iRobot model, this video will still be helpful to you because all the iRobot accessories are almost the same. Okay guys, so I will let my iRobot run to be full, then I will show you how to clean it. Okay, so now our iRobot is done and got full with hair. I will be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to get a fresh and clean iRobot. For this video we will need some tools. The first one is a flat screwdriver. You will also need a microfiber cloth and some alcohol wipes. So now we are going to disassemble parts from the iRobot. We will start with the trash can. Just open it by clicking the black little door. After you took out the trash can, you will see a little filter. Just pull it out from the trash can. As you can see, this filter is getting dirty very easily. You need to at least clean it once in a week. Now we are going to the main brushes. Open the main brushes holder by moving the little green handle to the left. Now just pull out the main brushes. As you can see, a lot of hair will stuck on these brushes. The user guide says you need to clean those brushes once a month. And you need to replace them in a new ones once a year. Okay, I will show you now in fast motion how to get rid of all the hair that's stuck in those brushes. Okay, we are moving to the edge sweeping brush. Take the flat screwdriver and start to open the screw. This brush we need to clean once a month and replace every 1 year. After you feel that the screw is open, gently grab two edges of the sweeping brush and pull it out. Now just remove all the hair from the sweeping brush. The last part is the black little wheel. Take the flat screwdriver and just pull the little wheel out. This part we need to clean once in 2 weeks and replace it every 1 year. Now just grab the microfiber cloth and just wipe the whole hair in your iRobot. Take the rubber brushes and the sweeping brush to any sink you have in your home. Wash the whole brushes in a cold water. Make sure you get rid of all the hair in the brushes. After you're done, take a dish soap and put a decent amount in a box. Fill the box with cold water. Put the brushes inside the box and start rubbing the brushes. Then leave them in a box for 50 minutes. We are going back to the trash can. We want to get rid of all the dirt inside, so just pull the little gray button and drop all the trash inside. Empty the trash can after each use of the iRobot. After 50 minutes, grab the brushes again, wash them to get rid of all the soap. Now grab the trash can and wash it. As you can see, you can wash the trash can, but not the filter, so don't be afraid. Even grab the box with the soap and put it inside the trash can. Just wash it very good, it will prevent a lot of bad smells. After you're done washing the whole things, let them dry for at least 2 hours. Now take your filter, take a hair dryer, and just take the filter and clean it with the air. Do it for both sides until you don't have any dirt in your filter. Meanwhile, we can take the alcohol wipes and just wipe the whole iRobot. It's okay because it's alcohol and it's dry very fast. Just make sure you did not miss any part. After I finish with the alcohol wipes, I like to take the microfiber cloth and just dry the whole parts. It will give the iRobot a more shiny look. Of course, don't forget to flip the iRobot and clean the top side. Don't be afraid, it's alcohol wipes, it's dry like I said before, nothing will happen. I recommend to take the charging stand of the iRobot and clean the sensors. Okay guys, after all our parts have dried up, let's start putting everything back together. Grab the sweeping brush, put it in his spot and just start to tighten the screw. After you're almost done, grab one edge and start to tighten the screw more until the end. Make sure it spins well. Take the wheel and just push it into his place until you will hear a knock like this. Open the brush holder. As you can see, we have two different brushes. You just need to adjust the correct shape to its location. After you put the brush, make sure it spins well. Last part, take the trash can and don't forget to put back the filter. And that's all guys, we're done. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you struggled at any point, please leave a comment below. If you want to see more guides like this one, feel free to check my YouTube channel, I Can Fix It. See you in the next episode, bye.